welcome once again to Summer Wonder channel, and today we are going to make a cooking stick. Welcome. First of all, you need to draw. You need to draw a picture of the cooking stick you intend to make. I'm using that can to draw the circle, then a ruler for the handle. You draw the curve. You draw the curve. You draw the other side's curve so that the picture or the drawing resembles that one of a cooking stick. Then cut along the lines that you have drawn. Cut through the curves using a pair of scissors. Follow the line that you had already drawn. Now you have the image of the cooking stick that we are going to make. After that, now you need to transfer that picture to the board. There I have a wooden board, the one I want to use to carve the cooking stick. I am recycling that board. It was used for something else. And now I want to carve the cooking stick out of it. Draw that picture on the board. You can see the lines there. You can see that is the circle. You need a sharp machete or a sharp panga. Therefore, I need to sharpen this one. It was a little bit blunt. Then it's time now to carve following the lines that we had drawn on the wooden board. Using that panga. Chopping off that unwanted piece of wood. Look at the lines. We are not yet there. We need to carve along the lines. Therefore, only a little bit is remaining. We continue carving. Continue. Now, that is, we need to carve that semicircle there to give it a good look. The other side, follow the line. The lines are still there, so we need to continue making that curve. Yes, that semicircular shape there. Not yet. Continue carving. You need to continue carving. That semicircle hand is nearing completion. Therefore, we need to continue carving the signs. You can see we have done a very good job there. We have done a very good job, and now what is remaining is to reduce the thickness of our cooking stick. Reduce the thickness of the cooking stick. So you need to remove the outer part. To reduce its thickness. Now it's not very thick, but we need to carve on the other side. We need to carve on the other side, and now we need to cut the handle so that it will be of the size that we need. I remove that bit there, and our cooking stick is about to be complete. Need to remove that bit so that we smoothen our carving. We smoothen our carving there. Remove the protruding bits. You can see we have done a very good job there. The machete is very sharp. Look at our cooking stick there. Then we'll use a sandpaper to give it a smooth surface. We use a sandpaper to make the surface very smooth. You can see it's getting smooth. going to mix the sandpaper hand using that chip. Continue to sandpaper our cooking stick. Smoothen the edges. Make the edges as smooth as possible. That is what I am doing there. Continue smoothening the surface, the edges. That edge is not yet as smooth as we would like. Continue giving it a smooth surface. And you can see we are about to finish our job here. We are doing our final touches.